Welcome to MellowBites.
I'm Bhargav.
I'm Poorna.
Today we're gonna make 2 healthy sandwiches.
And they're not only normal sandwiches, you can have them for a delicious lunch.
Yeah.
And guess what? This isn't just a boring old sandwich video. We're making a fun challenge. So we're gonna see who makes the lunch better, and then we'll have a secret guest to taste out our sandwiches.
You never know it.
So the last time we had a fun challenge and the sandwich video, I was the winner. Now, I was competing against Mom, so I have all the experience about this great competition.
I won a lot of challenges, so I'm gonna win. I have a lot of confidence.
So let's see, Bhargav, if you can cope up with me. Let's get started with a challenge. So first off, I'm gonna start off by making my sandwich. So Bhargav's gonna watch me.
And I'm so relaxed.
Yeah. So I'm gonna start off by some cooked chickpeas into my blender. So I heard this judge really likes healthy stuff, and chickpeas are super healthy, and I'm gonna add that. So we're not gonna grind this into a paste, but like kind of coarse. So I made this into a coarse paste. So we're gonna dump this into this bowl. And look at this beautiful coarse chickpea.
It kind of looks like chickpea ice cream. That's disgusting.
Bhargav, stop it with the bad comments on my dish. So we're gonna add some lemon juice. I love lemon juice with chickpeas in my salad and stuff. I think that's enough. Then we're gonna add
mayonnaise.
A mayonnaise. This is homemade, the creamiest mayonnaise that you can ever find. And guess what? It's in our channel, so go check that recipe out. Links are in the description.
And it's eggless.
Yeah. So we're gonna add 2 spoons of this. That's about enough. Then we're gonna add some onions, or bell peppers. You could also add carrots, but you don't have to work that hard on the sandwich. Then we're gonna add Mexican seasoning. You could add oregano or chopped masala. It's your taste. A teensy bit of that.
Well, actually the judge hates Mexican. You heard it wrong.
So just adding a little bit will boost up my score to winning. The next step is some olive oil. Got olive oil.
Yours kind of looks like chickpeas ice cream with onions and bell pepper and Mexican seasoning. That's a bad taste.
First, it's not about the looks, it's about the taste. And then we're gonna add some salt, because no one wants to forget salt in a cooking competition.
And nobody does a dish without salt, except some desserts.
And we're gonna mix this, and I will add some olive oil in case if it's too thick. So you wanna Bhargav, quit eating lemon juice. So as I said, this judge likes healthy food, so we got wheat bread, extra healthy, and we're gonna spread this spread on my bread. I should have that as a catchline.
You have a cringy song, Poorna.
Bhargav, shut up. So I'm gonna spread this on, and I don't know if I should grill it or not, but that's a last moment decision. Well, you can have it as both.
About Poorna with truth, she eats a spoon of mayonnaise.
No, I don't. Quit lying. Look at how smooth that goes. Then we're putting in a piece of lettuce, because who doesn't love lettuce? I know that lettuce is an important part in a sandwich. And then we're gonna close this up, and as I said, I don't know if I should grill it or not. That's a last moment decision, so let's see what I could do. So it's Bhargav's turn to make his egg sandwich.
Let me take my ingredients and come back. So I'm gonna make my sandwich, and Poorna's just gonna watch. I have my eggs and I'm gonna cut them.
Bhargav, I know the judge likes eggs, but he likes chickpeas too, so I'm pretty confident.
I'm kind of scared to cut these eggs. They're so like hard.
It's all about the cutting of the egg. If you cut them too small, they're gonna be so mushy and they won't taste good, Bargo.
Stop it. Like,
am I scaring you?
yeah, kinda, but I'm not scared.
Gotta cut this. I like how you cut them so cute.
It's kind of satisfying.
While you're cutting these eggs, let's decide what the winner does.
Okay, like doing cleaning
I like
closet.
doing-
My
yeah.
closet's super messy.
I should clean your closet? Are you serious?
She cleaned it like last my
Cleaned it
birthday.
5 times before this and it gets messy again and again, and I'm not cleaning that up again, so I have to win. Let's see what you could do if I win. You have to say yes to me the whole day.
That's super terrible, and
That's equal to cleaning your closet, Bargo.
I cut my egg. I want to dump it in. So I'm gonna add some lettuce,
Then we're adding.
spring onions, and add some mustard powder.
I love mustard powder. It's like super nice. You can add it in lots of things to enhance the flavor.
Some lemon juice. So I'm gonna add some mayonnaise.
And as we said, the mayonnaise link is in the description box, so go check that out.
And some salt. And some pepper. And I want to whisk it. I guess I need more mayonnaise. And I'm gonna mix it like.
I love egg salad sandwiches, but they're like the plain kind.
And I love eating egg sandwiches at my lunch.
but my sandwich is like the new and the best.
Oh, I'm making.
We're gonna clean up our kitchen.
And I'm gonna spread. I'm bad at spreading.
But Bargo, you have to spread it smooth and a nice even layer so you get all the even flavors. So I think I'm gonna win. Every chance of winning coming to me.
You're not gonna win. I'm gonna push you down like. I'm gonna win. I'm born to win this challenge. And I'm gonna close it.
Are you gonna grill your sandwich? You can eat this either way, not grilled or a little toasted bread or grilled.
I'm gonna try this. I don't know if it's good or not.
So that's according to you, but like you could really grill it. I'm gonna try some too.
So good.
So, cause we want to know how the loser's dish actually tastes.
Hey, don't try it in the judge.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a big bite in your.
That's good. I'm getting nervous. So I'm seeing Bargo's sandwich and I think it's growing great. The judge loves eggs, so I'm getting a little nervous about mine.
Poorna sandwich looks really good, but the judge likes eggs, so I'm gonna definitely win. I have a lot of confidence in mine.
So we've added some final touches to our sandwiches and the judge doesn't know
Which sandwich is whose?
Yeah, so why don't we call the judge in? Come on in.
Come on, the secret judge.
So we aren't going to say who did these, but I need to know what it is. So I have taken something. What sandwich is this?
This is the beautiful egg salad sandwich.
I love egg.
We told you the judge loves eggs. Here's the water, so you have to change the taste. This is a chickpea sandwich, which has.
Lettuce.
We have to remove.
So oh no.
I'm scared. I don't know who's gonna win.
Yeah, me too. Or I need to do her chores.
So the egg is generally it's most preferred food. What makes this the winner is it loves it has lettuce and it is spicy.
Yes! I'm the winner! Get ready Bhargav.
I'm not gonna do it.
You have to. It's in the contract.
Who is the winner?
Me!
Now you have to say who is the winner.